dance is called Country Straight. It's a 32 count full wall improver level line dance with one restart. Starting on the right foot, you're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right. On the and count, you're going to bring the right back beside the left. Then you're going into a weave, so you're going to cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on that left, and then cross the right behind the left. That set of steps once more. Side behind off on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind and cross. Side, behind, side, rock, behind. You're going to chassé to the left, putting a quarter turn on the end. Side, close, quarter turn left. Then you're going to step forward on the right. Pivot yourself half a turn to the left, walk forward 2 steps, right, left, and then add on a kickball step, kicking that right, right beside left, stepping that left forward. That set of steps once more then, chassé quarter turn up on the left. 7, 8, chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, kick, full step. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 of a turn in this section. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, chassé to the left with a quarter turn, but you're going to turn right instead of left. So side, close, quarter turn right as you step back on that left. Then instead of that pivot half turn, just rock back on the right, recover, and then you can carry on, walk, walk, kick, full step. So non-turning steps should you need to try and take out that 3/4 of a turn in that section. Let's add that to the top. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind and cross, side, behind, side, rock, behind. Chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, kick, full step. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself another quarter of a turn to the left. Then add on a little weave, crossing the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind, point the left to the side. That set of steps once more. Step pivot off on the right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, point. Let's add that to the top. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind and cross, side, behind, side, rock, behind. Chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, kick, full step. Step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, point. Cross the left over the right into a hinge half turn. So you're going to turn quarter turn left as you step back on that right, quarter turn left as you step the left to the side. Then cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, step the right beside the left, and add on a left-footed coast across, stepping back on the left, right beside left, cross that left over. That set of steps once more. Crossing into that hinge turn, off on the left. 7, 8, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, coaster, cross. Now whilst that is only a half turn that you're doing in that section, you are also doing half turn in the previous section, and you're doing 3/4 of a turn in the first section, all going to the left. you might actually find that's a little bit too much. If that's the case, you can actually take out the 3/4 like I've just shown you in that first section, do the 2-step pivot quarters in the middle, because they'll now be going to the left. First one will go to the right, and I'll show you some alternative steps now that you can do to take out the further half turn to the left. So even if you can do the first bit, you might find that doing the 2 half turn lefts in these last 2 sections might be a little bit too much, but also bear in mind, once you get back to the first wall, you'll be doing another 3/4 of a turn to the left. So should you need to adjust this turn, what you can actually do from your point, cross that left over the right. Instead of turning left, turn yourself right. So 1/4 turn right as you step forward on the right. 1/4 turn right as you step the left to the side, then pick up with everybody else, cross, side, close, and coaster, cross. So that will just help to take out the constant left turn that you're actually doing in this dance. So you'll be turning right, then right, instead of left, left and left. So non-turning options should you need to adjust any of the turns in the dance. But it is the end of the dance when we get to that point, so let's put it all together. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind and cross, side, behind, side, rock, behind. Chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, kick, ball, step, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, point, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, coaster, cross. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Not too many hand counts in this one. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind and cross, side, behind, side, rock, behind. Chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, kick, ball, step. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, point, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, coaster, cross. Side, behind and cross, side, behind, side, rock, behind. Chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, kick, ball, step. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, point, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, coaster, cross. Side, behind and cross, side, behind, side, rock, behind. Chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, kick, ball, step. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, point, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, coaster, cross. So hopefully you managed to follow that. That is your dance. Now we do have one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 8 after 16 counts, so halfway through. So don't go into your step pivot quarters. Now wall 8 is our 9 o'clock wall. Let's take you through 16 counts and restart. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, and cross, side, behind, side, rock, behind. Chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, kick, ball, step. Restart, side, behind, and cross, side, behind, side, rock, behind. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. Halfway through, 16 counts into wall 8. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, and your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side, behind, and cross, side, behind, side, rock, behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, walk, kick, pull, step, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, walk, cross, turn, cross, side, pivot, cross, side, behind, cross, side, behind, side, rock, behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, kick, pull, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, cross, turn, cross, side, coast to coast, side, behind, cross, side, behind, side, rock, behind, chassé, step, pivot, walk, kick, pull, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, cross, turn, cross, side, coast to coast, side, behind, cross, side, behind, side, rock, behind, chassé, turn, step, pivot, walk, kick, pull, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, cross, turn, side, coast, step, side, behind, chassé, pivots, cross hinge, side behind, chassé, pivots, cross hinge, side behind, chassé, pivots, cross hinge, side behind, chassé to restart more, restart, side behind,
Straight down the middle with a little bit of twang. When the gears do get carried away, it's always blue, clear sky. Even if it's gonna rain, yeah, it's a love without ending, man. Yeah, it's a love without ending, man. Yeah, it's a love without ending, man. We like a country straight.
Hope you managed that one.